This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous French appellation located in the Bordeaux wine region of France, next to Sauternes, making similar sweet dessert wines made from botrytis-affected grapes. So grapes affected by this rot, by this fungus that is botrytis. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Barsac. You will often say the name Barsac-Sauternes associated. Barsac, with the typical French pronunciation, Barsac, Barsac, Barsac. But it'd be fine in English or American to say Barsac, Barsac, the wines from Barsac, Barsac. Typical French pronunciation again, Barsac, Barsac. I hope this video was useful. Here is a list of the top 20 Bordeaux wine appellations that you should definitely nail the pronunciation of. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.